If the AirDrop is not working on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings, and then over here we're gonna scroll down and open General. Now in here we can find the AirDrop option, and one thing that you can do is switch from receiving off or contacts only to everyone for 10 minutes. So if you select this option, you can be certain that anyone can AirDrop you at any point with this option, of course. And there is also start sharing by, bringing devices together. This option can be, of course, enabled. So if it's off, then of course you can turn it on. And also we have out of range. So if you do not use Wi-Fi, you can allow your iPhone to send the data with the AirDrop or receive the data with AirDrop by using the cellular data or mobile data. So if you agree to that, if you want to do that, then of course make sure that it is on. However, when this option is disabled, just make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Of course, after 10 minutes, this option will switch back to contacts only or receiving off, depending which option was selected before. But generally speaking, like I said, to make sure that you can actually use it with anyone, you can set it to everyone for 10 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.